As the scope of Trump's proposed tariffs is expected to expand, more everyday items are likely to see higher prices. These tariffs, designed to protect domestic industries, work to increase taxes on imported goods, which raises their overall cost. While this approach supports local manufacturing, it also puts extra financial pressure on consumers. According to recent findings from the National Retail Federation, Americans could lose between $46 billion and $78 billion in spending power each year due to these new tariffs. In our previous video, Trump's tariffs, 23 items expected to get more expensive, we looked at the initial list of products affected by these policies. This follow-up highlights even more items that could soon strain household budgets. This expanded list of 18 additional items offers valuable insights into the products you use every day and how potential price increases might impact your spending in the near future. Understanding what may become more expensive can help us prepare for these changes. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. 1. Smart home devices. Smart home devices, such as smart speakers, thermostats, and security cameras, are also seeing rising costs. These products depend on international manufacturing for critical parts, including processors and sensors. Tariffs targeting electronics and their components have increased production expenses, leading to higher retail prices. Households looking to upgrade their homes with connected technology might face steeper costs. The growing popularity of these devices may slow as prices climb. 2. Cleaning products and detergents. Cleaning products like detergents, disinfectants, and multi-purpose sprays are poised to cost more. The tariffs on chemicals used in these products, along with the packaging materials required to store them, are driving up manufacturing expenses. Many companies are already adjusting their prices to cover these added costs. For consumers, this could translate into higher grocery bills when stocking up on these daily essentials. Shoppers may need to seek discounts to manage the impact on their budgets. Number 3 on our list of items about to get pricier is paper towels and toilet paper. Paper products such as toilet paper, tissues, and paper towels are not exempt from tariff-related price increases. Imported wood pulp and equipment used in processing these goods are now subject to higher taxes. These items, being staples in most households, will add to monthly expenses as costs rise. Families who rely on bulk purchases may notice a significant difference in the total amount spent. This could lead to changes in buying habits or a search for alternatives. 4. Light bulbs. Light bulbs, especially energy-efficient LEDs, are another product facing increased prices. Tariffs on electronic components used in LED production have pushed manufacturing costs higher. With many households transitioning to these long-lasting bulbs, the additional expense could be felt widely. Retailers may struggle to keep prices competitive while meeting rising costs. This shift could affect the pace of adoption for energy-efficient lighting. 5. Bicycles. Bicycles and related gear are among the items facing significant price increases. The production of bikes depends on materials such as aluminum, steel, and rubber, which are all affected by tariffs. These added costs are reflected in higher retail prices for both standard and electric bicycles. For individuals looking to purchase bikes for commuting or leisure, the increased expenses could make their options less affordable. Retailers may also stock fewer models to manage inventory costs, reducing choices for consumers. Number 6 on our list of items about to get pricier is fitness equipment. Fitness equipment, including treadmills, weights, and exercise bands, is set to become pricier due to rising material costs. Steel, aluminum, and electronics used in production are now more expensive under the tariffs. For consumers, this means home workout setups and gym equipment will likely come with higher price tags. Fitness enthusiasts may need to reconsider upgrades to their routines or wait for promotions to offset costs. This could also impact smaller gyms that rely on affordable equipment. 7. Eyewear and sunglasses. Eyewear, such as glasses and sunglasses, is also likely to see a rise in cost. Frames made of plastic and metals, along with optical lenses, are heavily affected by tariff increases. This adds to the expense for manufacturers, who may adjust retail prices to cover the difference. Customers seeking prescription glasses or trendy sunglasses might find fewer affordable options. Optometrists and eyewear stores may also adjust service fees to cope with the changes. 8. Cosmetics and fragrances. Cosmetics and fragrances are expected to face higher prices due to increased tariffs on packaging materials and specialized ingredients. Many beauty products rely on imported components, which are now costlier to obtain. This could affect a wide range of products, including makeup, skincare, and perfumes. Consumers may notice price hikes on their favorite brands, leading to tighter budgets for personal care. Salons and beauty retailers could also adjust their pricing to reflect these increases. Number 9 on our list of items about to get pricier is packaged snacks. Packaged snacks, including chips, cookies, and energy bars, are also feeling the effects of tariffs. The rise in aluminum and plastic packaging costs, combined with higher import taxes on certain ingredients, has pushed up manufacturing expenses. These added costs are often passed on to shoppers at grocery stores and convenience outlets. Families and individuals who regularly purchase snacks might notice a gradual increase in their grocery bills. Bulk snack purchases could become a less affordable option for larger households. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. 10. Gardening supplies. Gardening supplies, such as soil, fertilizers, and gardening tools, are also being impacted. Many of these products depend on raw materials and packaging affected by tariffs, increasing their overall cost. Homeowners who enjoy gardening as a hobby or grow their own vegetables might find their favorite products more expensive. Local garden centers and retailers might reduce stock or increase prices to adjust for these changes. For many, maintaining a garden could require more financial investment than before. 11. Camping gear. Camping gear, such as tents, sleeping bags, and outdoor cookware, is another category seeing price increases. Tariffs on materials like nylon, aluminum, and steel, which are essential to these products, have driven up costs for manufacturers. Outdoor enthusiasts planning camping trips may need to spend more on their gear. Retailers might also scale back on discounts and sales due to their own rising expenses. This trend could affect the affordability of recreational activities for many. Number 12 on our list of items about to get pricier is luggage and travel accessories. Luggage and travel accessories, including suitcases, backpacks, and travel pillows, are also impacted. Materials used in production, such as synthetic fabrics and metal frames, are now more expensive due to tariffs. Manufacturers have adjusted their prices accordingly, and travelers may notice these changes when shopping for new bags. For frequent flyers or families planning vacations, purchasing new luggage could strain budgets. Retailers might focus on promoting higher-end products to recover costs. 13. Gaming consoles and accessories. Gaming consoles and their accessories, such as controllers and headsets, are set to become more expensive. The increase is tied to the reliance on imported chips and components central to their production. As tariffs drive up costs for materials, manufacturers are likely to pass those expenses on to consumers. This could mean higher prices on popular gaming systems and bundles during the next holiday season. Fans of video games may need to budget more to enjoy their favorite hobbies. 14. Plumbing fixtures and faucets. Plumbing fixtures and faucets are becoming more expensive as tariffs increase the cost of materials like brass and steel. These essential components for kitchens and bathrooms are seeing price hikes at both wholesale and retail levels. Homeowners planning renovations may need to allocate more funds for these fixtures. Contractors and developers also face higher costs, which could impact project pricing. These changes might slow down renovation projects for budget-conscious households. Number 15 on our list of items about to get pricier is paint and coatings. Paint and coatings, used for both home improvement and industrial projects, are affected as well. Tariffs on raw chemicals needed to produce paint have led to increased manufacturing costs. Shoppers might notice higher prices for interior and exterior paints at hardware stores. Small businesses that rely on affordable paint for projects could feel the pressure of these rising costs. For consumers, completing home improvement tasks may now require more careful financial planning. 16. Carpeting and flooring. Carpeting and flooring materials, such as vinyl, laminate, and hardwood, are also experiencing price increases. The tariffs on adhesives and synthetic materials used in production are the main drivers of this trend. Homeowners looking to upgrade their floors may face higher expenses when choosing new materials. Retailers and installers might need to adjust their pricing to accommodate these changes. This could affect both new construction projects and home renovations. 17. Crafting supplies. Crafting supplies, including fabrics, knitting tools, and dyes, are also seeing price increases. Tariffs on textiles and materials used for sewing and crafting are creating challenges for hobbyists and small businesses. Those who rely on these supplies for creative projects may find it harder to stick to their budgets. Retailers might adjust their stock to focus on higher-margin products, limiting affordable options. This trend could influence how people approach their creative hobbies. Last on our list of items about to get pricier is health supplements. Health supplements, including minerals and herbal remedies, are experiencing higher prices due to increased tariffs on ingredients and packaging. Many supplements rely on imported raw materials, which are now more costly to obtain. This impacts the affordability of these products for consumers looking to support their health and wellness. Retailers and pharmacies may also limit discounts and promotions, reflecting the increased costs. For those who use supplements regularly, these changes could significantly affect their health budgets. The next few months will bring noticeable changes to prices in stores across America. Smart shoppers can prepare through careful budgeting and watching for sales on their most used items. Making informed choices about when and what to buy will help families manage these rising costs. Store owners and shoppers alike must adjust to this new economic situation. Taking time to learn about these price changes helps everyone make better spending decisions as the market continues to shift. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.